Hello guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create a bank account online. So a lot of people want to always receive their payment online, but they don't have a bank account to receive payment online. Some are working remotely and they want to be receiving payment online, and others are also they are also having relatives or friends out there and they want to send money to them, but they have never they're not having bank account so that they can be able to transfer the funds easily. So in this video I'm going to be walking you through all the steps that you need to follow so that you can be able to create a good and legit bank account that can be able to receive and send funds out of Ghana and inside Ghana or within Ghana. So if you are ready for that kind of video, you need to watch this video from beginning to the end. So everything is in details. The good side about this bank is that you'll be able to get your card. So you'll be able to get your card that you'll be using it to your Visa card that you'll be using it for your transactions online and offline. So you'll be able to get these kind of things delivered to you. So you will be able to get this kind of thing. So make sure you watch the video from beginning to the end, and you're not going to any bank to collect. They are going to deliver it into your home or wherever you are staying. They are going to deliver it to you. So this particular Visa card that you are seeing, they deliver it to me. So I didn't go to the bank or anything to do that particular or to request for it. Also I requested it online. Still I was able to get it. So they called me and they showed me the location and I just went and pick it. So make sure you watch the video from beginning to the end and get all the details so that at the end of the day you'll be able to transfer money and receive money into your bank account, and you will not walk into any bank account. You just sit at home and create your bank account. So watch it from beginning to the end and let's go together. So to create an account online, what you need to do is you need to go to your browser and search Standard Chartered Bank. So when you go to your browser and search for Standard Chartered Bank, another pop-up is going to load, and that pop-up is where you search for, you click on open your bank account online. So you click on open your bank account online, and when you click on open your bank account online, it's going to also open this way, and this is the first homepage that is going to appear. And after that homepage, what you are going to see is they are going to show you all the accounts that you can open, the number of or different type of accounts that you can open on this platform. So these are the different accounts. If you want to open a foreign current account, you can open every account that you want on this platform. So after that, this is the first page that you are going to see. You can see step 1, download Standard Chartered mobile app and tap on open account. So you download the app and now click on select account. So when you click on select account, you see a pop-up apply now button will appear on your screen. So when you see apply now, what you now see next is that you are going to see they are going to open another home page for you. So when you click on apply now, they are going to open a page like this, and they are going to show you the requirements that you need. So that they can be able to process your details. You need a selfie, documents required. So selfie, they will request for your selfie, and they will request for so many things. You need to be a resident of Ghana, everything. So for a start, how do we contact you? So you fill your details, your name, your phone number, your WhatsApp number, everything. You fill everything here. So after you fill everything here, they are going to pop up another page for you. So another page is going to be pop up after this, and this national ID. So make sure you get your correct national ID placed on the flat surface, and position your camera from the top. So you position your camera on it and make sure it is on the flat surface. And this another window is going to pop up, and you are going to see he Kwame, and this one, that's the name that you use for them to address you, and they are saying you should select your ID card and your nationality. So you select that and click on next. So when you select that and you click on next, another window is going to be pop up, and that particular window is where they will say you should select self-portrait photograph. So that's the place that you put your face, you put your phone on your face and verify your face. So they just want to verify your face to make sure that it is human being that is doing the application. They don't want it to be a robot. So that's why they are just doing that. And after that, you're going to see all this. Please review all the information that you have filled. So they want the details that you have filled. They want to make sure it is right. So they will show you all the details that you have filled.
If some are wrong, so you correct it and you click on next. So when you click on that, you're going to see provide information regarding your tax information. So tax information, if you are not having it, the tax information, you can just click on no here and fill the information, everything in order. And after that, you are going to see another homepage and it's going to be popping up, and that homepage is going to be like this. And are you a US person, US resident, US citizen? All that, you click on no throughout. If you are not from US, you click no throughout and you click on next. So when you click no throughout and you click on next, another homepage is going to pop up like this. You can see application submitted, sit back and relax. If your application is successful, you will be noticed within 2 working days. We will contact you if we need more information to proceed your request. So they are saying that they will contact you if they need more information. For me, they contact me through WhatsApp and I was able to verify my account and everything was successful. So I don't know of your own. Maybe your own too, they may also